The most compelling data that we've seen for this has to do with data we put out about 2 weeks ago around this emergence of what we're calling the K-shaped economy. So we separated out across over 50,000 businesses, the bottom quartile of spenders on AI. These are people who are spending almost maybe never used one of these models, right. Maybe you'd find in there. And the top quartile, people who are spending the highest percentage of their revenue on AI related tools. This isn't just tech companies, this could be construction firms, roofers, people installing windows. And what we found shocked us. In the bottom quartile over the past 3 years, their revenue grew by about 12%, so call it 2 to 5% per year, essentially flat. The top quartile more than doubled.
Wow.
And the rate of growth has grown by each year successively. And so what I would say is it is real. Like, the exciting part is that companies that adopt this well are able to grow faster and frankly hire more, invest more, and it becomes the fuel to go and do this. But within both, like, both can be true of, like, you can be using this, but you could be getting far more performance out of it. And so in general, I am, even though I'm based on the East Coast, I'm with a lot of these West Coasters.
Yep.
Like, I think that spend on AI is great. People should spend the time. But it's also true there is a better way to track the token spend and to get more out, and we're excited to make it easier for people.